So if you're a homeowner and you have one of these, how much will you come to understand and how to run and maintain it?
Well, for the most part, once it's set up, it's plug and play.
Okay.
If anything's going to go wrong, typically it's going to be one of these timers or one of the breakers. That's the most likely things to fail. If a charge controller or the inverter fails, then it's simply going to be a pull the system out, send it back to us, and we'll send out a replacement. And whoever did the installation for you is the one who will actually pull the system out and put the other parts back in. But we take care of the warranty returns. We take care of all those issues so that it'll be replaced as quickly as possible. And it's a one-stop shopping. Instead of you having to go to the various places to get the warranty work, we take care of it all.